jumped in here. This went up here, came down, had to move over here. I created a pattern here that was pretty much completed, went back up. This could not reach this level here, this fractal area here, and then it came back down, came back up without getting a swing low, and retested that area. That's a lot more volume and volume delta than here. So I see that kind of as an effort, no result. Plus we just could not get any demand to come in. So I was also looking at, every once in a while I'll throw this on the larger time frame. When it went up there, 15 minute, we got this fractal high here. Actually, that would not have been a fractal high, but this is, so there's no print right here, but it is a fractal, and this is the auto floor ceiling indicator here, and this was held here, and it came up here and held here, and I tried to get in just below that as it rolled back through on the smaller time frame. That's what I was looking at on there. We did have some supply come in. I got in much later than I wanted to. I was looking around at some different things and missed it. I would have liked to have gotten in up here. This is the earliest I could get in. So I just have my target right here, because that's where the New York Open started, right there. That's why my target's right there. If you look, the demand here on the inbox histogram pretty much disappeared up here, and this supply is trying to get in here and move it down. So see what happens here. Thing is on a, I don't have it on the smaller one, I'll put it up here. Where the New York started was, this orange line is yesterday's high. This is the overnight high of tonight, and this whole move up went up, and New York Open went up and retested the overnight high. So we had a large sell imbalance here. This orange line is yesterday's high, and that's what we tested here and the New York Open tested. So my target is just below that. I could always move my target down if I want. Sorry, I'm moving everything around so much. What I could do, this is with the auto floor ceiling. If we were to break this low and there's a lot of supply to come in, I could actually move my target to down here, because these make pretty good support resistance levels. I'm actually going to do that. Bring it down here. So basically I just now moved it down here because I can always trail it to just below this right here, or just above this level right here on the auto floor ceiling. So that way it's out of the way and I can manage the trade, or try to manage it. See what happens. But in order to do any of that, we need to get through yesterday's high, which is the orange line right here. We need to get through that. Nope, I should have trailed that, shouldn't I? We need to get through yesterday's high and close below this level right here. We cannot get down here if we cannot close below these two levels here. So, and what we've actually done, possibility of, is on the 60-minute, if it will work out, we can close below this level right here, right there. If we get a candle to close below there, we have a geometric pattern possibility. So if I left my target there, I'd be out. So that's a lot of effort there. Looking at volume delta, that's a lot of effort there to not get much beyond here. So we do have supply coming in still though. Now we just need to roll over and get below here to have a chance. We could come up here and get a confirmed swing high on the 1 minute to roll over. We could do that. One thing I'm also looking at is on the 3 minute. Every one of these candles on this move here, we have all lower lows and lower highs. But the important thing is the closes are closing below the prior candle's close. That's what's important. As long as that's happening, we're in decent shape. So I am going to trail this to the high of this candle right here. We need it to close below here. We need to close below that. Can actually get rid of that. We did close below this level here. So now we need this right here to hold as resistance, and this to roll back over and go after this low. Just like this is possibly doing. Just like that. We are getting supply to come in here. I'm probably, this is what I was also looking for. On the hourly, this candle here last hour came down and closed below yesterday's high. This candle closed above it. This candle retested it and it went up. This one was bouncing around it for a while and it did close below it. This one here opened up, went up and retested yesterday's high, and it's trying to go short. So this is currently acting as possible resistance. So we need that to happen. And this right here on the hourly is basically just at this fractal level right here, this high. Okay, we need this to hold, but we may be trying to go up and get a confirmed swing high to strengthen the move down. But we got negative volume delta right there, and we got more supply coming in, so, and a trend pull back short. Now it's trying to, the buyers are trying to come in here because we know they're here because this is the New York Open right here. Move the price up, so we know there are buyers here. And we need to get that swing low right there. And as I was showing, every candle on this move has lower highs and lower lows, but the closes are also closing below the prior candle's close. As long as that continues to happen, we're going short. As long as the closes continue to close lower, we're going short. I'm going to trail to the high of this current candle right there because it's getting ready to close. And I may get taken out. That's fine. I mean, we already hit my original target, which is just on there to be on there, but now we need this right here, this fractal level right here that we just closed below. We need that to hold to roll over and then continue going short. We need to hold this resistance. Right now this is a Marubozu open, so that's all money. There's no wick right here, so that's a strong candle going up. And if they get me, they get me. So, but we're also retesting the prior day's high. And I'll show that on the hourly right here. We just retested that again. So the hourly needs to go down and get a confirmed swing low. Although it's obviously going to take an hour, and it can be a lot of bouncing between now and then. This is probably going to get me, because we're going to get up here and get a confirmed swing high. And that's fine. There we go.